Welcome to Tech Vibe, your go-to channel for the latest in tech, gadgets, and innovation. Today, we are diving into an exciting piece of wearable technology, the T500 Ultra Smart Watch. This budget-friendly smartwatch is making waves with its sleek design, advanced features, and affordability. With a 2.08-inch HD IPS full-touch display, it offers a smooth and vibrant user experience. Whether you're tracking your fitness, monitoring your health, or simply staying connected, this watch has something for everyone. It supports Bluetooth calling, custom wallpapers, and real-time notifications for calls, messages, and social media. Plus, it's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, ensuring seamless connectivity through the Fit Pro app. Tech Vibe is all about bringing you the best insights, and the T500 Ultra doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen monitoring, helping you stay on top of your health goals. The watch also features multiple sports modes, sleep tracking, and step counting, making it a great fitness companion. With wireless charging and a long-lasting battery, you won't have to worry about running out of power during the day. The best part? It's available in various colors, though some sellers ship random colors, adding an element of surprise to your purchase. The design closely resembles high-end smartwatches, giving you a premium feel at a fraction of the cost.